As you guys know, I was down $15,000 2 weeks ago, and right now, in just one trade, one big trade, we made over $60,000. That's the power of risk management. So, eat your veggies and risk 1% per trade, alright? What's good, people? So, it's been long since I've taken a trade. It's 11 March and we have not taken a single trade this month yet. So yeah, this is the first trade. You guys know I'm very picky with my setups. So we got a nice little A plus setup right here, slaving in the markets while my family is out there in China enjoying and having a great time. But you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So over here we got price creating a market shift, right? And then over here, this is the flip zone that led to the market shift, and this flip zone swept liquidity, right? So we know that this is indeed an institutional zone, right? And if you look at this right here, once price came down here, swept all the available liquidity, boom, huge amount of demand stepped into the market, lots of imbalance pushing price up, right? So we know for a fact that this is indeed a very high probability point of interest that we want to be looking to long from, right? So the minute price actually mitigate this zone, that is where I wanted to get involved in the position itself, right? So what happened is that waited for further confirmation. We see price pulling back, right? Very nice, lower low, lower highs, and then we see price took out the available liquidity in these equal lows right here, swept that low, and then there we got the V-shaped reaction. And if you look at here, right, what do we have? This is a very clean trend line, right? This was my best friend back when I was a retail trader, all right? Back when I was losing money, I used trend lines a lot, right? So I know my bro when I see it, right? Real recognizes real. Okay, so I recognize the downtrend line right here because, yeah, lower high, lower low, lower low, high, lower low. Boom, draw my trend line there, 3 touches, you know what I'm saying? And then, guess what? It's all liquidity points, right? So I know that there is all available liquidity above all these highs right here, right? Waiting to get swept, right? So right now, what would potentially happen is that after this market shift, price mitigate the buy orders that we have within this institutional high probability demand zone, price is potentially going to come up there. So all the available liquidity that we have above this lower highs right here, tap into this extreme supply zone at this 15-minute internal lower high. And then based on there, potentially price could do this or even do this, whatever. I don't care because I'm going to be taking profit at this nearest 15-minute supply. I'm assuming that price is just going to come up there, take out all the available liquidity that we have above this highs right here. Right, you can see all of this supply right here that we have on the left hand side, all these supply zones, right? All these 15-minute supply zones they can draw right here. Price is just potentially gonna blast right through them, or you could even use them as like liquidity points to facilitate the pullback, right? So in this case right here, price mitigate this supply, mitigate a pullback, mitigate the next supply, potentially have another pullback, another supply pullback, but it's just gonna use it as liquidity points, right? For price to get up to this point of interest that we have up here, right? So yeah, right now, let's see, are we still in the rates? I think we are still in the drawdown right now because of the spreads and all that shit. Yeah, we are still down about 2K, right? Just gonna be very patient, you know, just trusting my analysis, just warming up my engine because it's been, I don't know, like 2 weeks? No. Yeah, around 2 weeks that I've taken a trade. And the last time I took a trade, I lost like 2 trades in a row. So you guys know how it is, but yeah. I'm back. We are so back. A few hours later. What do I say? Market mechanics is cheat codes. I'm not kidding, man. I didn't pull this shit out of my ass. I'm telling y'all, I didn't pull this shit out of my ass. This is something that is immaculate. It's an immaculate strategy. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this is literally exactly just like what I've pictured it. Right? Like what I say, price is gonna mitigate this supply here, pull back. Mitigate this next supply here, pull back, act as liquidity points, and then right now price moving to the upside. Potentially it's going to mitigate this supply right here, and it's going to start making a minor pullback before we can move up to the upside. Mitigate this, and then potentially we can get a final push to the upside and hit our TP. Because you must understand, price does not just move up straight in a straight line. Alright, I don't know how delulu you are, but that's just not how the markets work. That's why y'all gotta be patient. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So right now we are up about 30k, as you can see over here, about 30k. Just ignore like the Bitcoin short. Just focus on the GJ trade. Just the GJ trade alone, up about 30k. We're in the drawdown for the Bitcoin short, but just, like I said, that's irrelevant in this case. That's a long-term play. Still staying sane as usual. A little bit tempted to take profit. as usual, but we hold. We hold, alright, because we are professionals. Okay, quick little updates. Right now we are up about 50k. What did I say? The comeback is always gonna be greater than the setback. Last week, or rather 2 weeks ago, I was down $15,000. And right now we are up $50,000, mates. Bro, you see this shit right now? Like, you know that feeling when price is like so near your take profit, but it doesn't hit it and it start reversing against you? This is the market testing you. This is God testing you, right? He's telling you, be just a little bit patient and trust your analysis. This is the ultimate test. Because if you start taking profit right here, guess what? You're leaving money on the table. You know what I'm saying? So, we hold. Hold. Yo! So we finally hit TP after so goddamn long. Should have aimed like right here. But anyways, I'm not gonna be greedy. It's good old 60k in the bank. You know what I'm saying? Bro, like you literally can't fake this shit. I literally predicted this entire move. Pip by pip. Just go and rewatch this entire video. Watch it from the start. Literally, I said that price is gonna do this, and it did exactly that. It's actually crazy, right? It's actually crazy. I'm insane. I'm insane, bro. I'm actually insane. As you guys know, I was down $15,000 2 weeks ago, and right now, in just one trade, one big trade, we made over $60,000. That's the power of risk management. So, eat your veggies and risk 1% per trade, alright?